Hello everyone, this is Chancha Famous Watch Studio, specializing in RMAPPP Rolex original data development. Today, I bring you the RM066 Goldfinger, sharing a watch with a crystal case. This watch is also an exclusive watch developed by our family. This watch, the RM066 with crystal case and gold fingers, its price in the secondary market exceeds 10 million. Through our modification, upgrading and customization, customers can spend a small amount of money to enjoy and own this watch, to feel its design style and design language. Of course, our customized watches are developed and produced based on the original data. Its shell type, its gold fingers' three-dimensional feeling, and the functions of the movement are all correct. The modified and customized watches in our store are different from the common goods on the market. Those common goods look fake when you wear them out. But through our modification and customization, it can be closer to the original, making you more confident when wearing it. For example, the RM066 Goldfinger. Its case is developed with CNC original data. The shell of this crystal case, whether it's the upper cover, middle case, or bottom cover, are all customized with real crystal shells. And for this kind of watch, its teardrop and the movement inside are all customized. The teardrop is divided into two layers. The upper layer is a black tear shadow, and the bottom layer is golden. See, then the movement, its movement, the gold fingers, is very design conscious. On our gold fingers, has been sandblasted, which is exactly the same as the original. Then the structure of the movement, like the 9 o'clock position, has been treated with a triangular grinding. Like the 3 o'clock position, the puller area has also been sandblasted. All of these are completely in line with the original, and this movement is a rare top-mounted true tourbillon. The rare upper-mounted true tourbillon. See, its headwheel structure is at the top, and the degree of hollowing is very strong. See, for the gold fingers, there are carbon fiber ones, crystal case, and red crystal case. You can choose according to your preferences. And customization. Let's take a look at its back again. On the back, its movement, the structure treatment here, is very nice. Inside its movement, all the gears are movable. There is no jab-on treatment at all. Such a customized movement can well restore the functions of the original movement, and the style of the original movement. Like this super million-level RM modified custom only requires a small amount of cost. You can enjoy and own it. This is an RM066 Goldfinger with a crystal case. Share if you like this watch. You can also contact Chanchi. If you like Chancha's videos, don't forget to double-click like and follow us. See you next time.